Hvad kan du se? Kan du se noget? Hvad siger du? Hvad? Ingenting. Der er ingenting.
After Yod got home, he finally got Clara to fall asleep. Clara had been scared by Lucas. Not long after she drifted off, she was half asleep and confused. She thought she saw Fanny, standing by the door, and a blurry figure, moving closer to her.
Hej, Lukas.
Det er ikke Lukas, det er bare far.
Far, græder du?
Nej, der findes så meget ondskab her i verden.
Det var bare mig, der sagde noget dumt noget. Han har ikke gjort noget.
This was the third time Clara admitted she had lied. She said Lucas had actually done nothing, as his best friend. Yoda knew Lucas very well. It had all happened so fast. He had gotten caught up in that strong sense of being a father. Only now did Yoda finally understand. He stood up, grabbed some food and a bottle of wine, and went to Lucas' house. Two men who used to be best friends now sat together in the dark. Lucas was quiet for a while. Then he started eating too.
Smag på. Bare gå til dig selv, hvis du ved det. Hvis det er sådan. Jeg vil bare gerne lige sidde her lidt.
In the silence, they finally made peace. A year later, the two families were on good terms again. That day was the celebration for Marcus getting his hunting license. From that day on, he was allowed to hunt in the forest. When they met, Marcus and Yoda's son hugged each other. Everyone seemed to let go of the past. But during the ceremony, Lucas looked around. At all those eyes avoiding his, he knew some things carved into people's hearts can never truly be erased. During the event, Lucas saw Clara again. She was standing alone in the corner.
Er I klar?
Hej.
Nå, hvad skal vi gøre med de streger?
Det ved jeg ikke. Der er vildt mange, synes jeg.
Ja, kom. Ja. Med meget lange skridt.